Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the VanFast MacBook Pro Charger replacement for the 85 watt model, which is the T-tip, and 3 things you need to know. I'm going to say at the out part that I almost sent this back. I thought I had a bad charger. No, had a dummy who didn't bother to read some of the directions, and this to me is actually equal to, if not better, than the OEM charger that came with my MacBook Pro, which is 10 years old. Thing number 1, the LED light provides status. Amber is charging, green is full charge. Now, if you're a little bit color challenged, and I mean that in a very nice way, some of us don't always see colors the way manufacturers would think, is that amber is going to be a dimmer color with the way they implement this, and the green is going to be the much brighter color. So that's a way of making it a little bit easier for those that are shall we say, color challenged. And I understand situations, so it's, this is one product that takes that you can adapt to what it's doing. Thing number 2, the prongs fold up, making this a great travel charger. So that way, even if you have your primary charger in your laptop bag, I always like carrying a secondary charger. You never know when you're gonna need it. So that's, and then in addition with the fold-up prongs, there's 2 little ears that flip up, so you can wrap the cord around that. So if you want to reduce the risk of any possible strain on the cable during travel, you can kind of keep that all nice, neat, and bundled up. Thing number 3, the charger will shut off power to the laptop, and that would be when the green is showing up on the T connector. So you're not cooking your batteries. And that's an important thing, especially when you've got an older laptop and you really don't want to go to the Apple store to have the battery replaced, and replacing the battery yourself is not quite something in your wheelhouse. Yet it still holds a charge. So that's something to think about. This is very good. I don't see the problem with this one getting as hot as the OEM charger did. It's well worth looking into. And like I said, having a spare is never a bad thing.